Hi, Mark from Appmixer here. Previously, you learned about the obvious yet powerful feature of copying and pasting objects. In this section, I'll show you another great designer's feature, zooming in and zooming out. Did we already mention that you can use unlimited number of components in a single flow? Some of our customers, or their customers, build flows containing hundreds of components. Believe me, a feature to zoom in and out comes pretty handy in these cases. To zoom out, click on the little zoom out icon in the bottom panel. To zoom in, click on the zoom in icon in the bottom panel. As simple as it looks, this feature makes sure you or your colleague don't get lost in the complicated flows. Next, I'll show you how to export a flow to an image.